Tozama kokunonkulu salwa sendoteleza. I'm just asking, do we need another video that will explain, in obvious in different angle, the danger of comfort zone? The danger of comfort zone. The reason I'm asking this is because of people who are complaining about the booking. Why do we have to do a booking? Others in general, why do I have to have an appointment if I know ukuthi in that house kukhona umelaphi wendabuko? It's given. Why bother? Abanye, why must I pay to make an appointment? Do you know ukuthi there are places here in South Africa that you need to go there to make an appointment? You need to go there. They don't take appointments over the phone. You need to go there when physically himself. You need to go there to make an appointment. Then they will give you a date to say you must come back on this particular date. Imagine if I were to work that way, whereby you need to come and make an appointment at the office or where I stay. And you can see me which I'm there, but you don't have my appointment. You still came to make an appointment. Then come back again for your appointment. Irrelevant where you come from. That thing exists as we speak. And I don't blame them. They have their own reasons, those healers, to do it that way. And if it works for them, it's perfect. Who I am to say, no, that is wrong. They are inconveniencing other people. Who I am to tell them Uguti is wrong, because that's how their ancestors have guided them to work that way. Do you want to know Uguti the appointment that I have in India this year, October? When did I make that appointment? I don't know. You let me know. If you want me to share what happened, I was looking at my my passport just now, and I was looking at the visa of 2024, and I said, I've never thought that 2026 will ever come for me to honor my appointment. You go there. I know. Let me not talk too much. You let me know if you want, but all I can say for now, let's respect the terms and conditions of the healers. Let's just respect that. It's not your home. It's not your business. It's none of you how they do things. Let's respect how people are working. If you go to church, it starts from this time to this time and it stays like that. You can't come with your own time.